How to hide Zelle transaction history in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to hide Zelle transaction history. Okay, so as we all know that all the banks like PayPal, like Venmo, like a lot of banks, they don't allow you to hide or to delete a transaction history. Why? Because of the safety. Okay, so they can make the platform safe, they need to keep all the history. So, and you're gonna ask me if this is working also with Zelle, and I need to tell you that yes, unfortunately it's working also on Zelle. You cannot hide or delete transaction history, but maybe there is a solution, which is deleting your Zelle account, and after deleting your Zelle account, your history will be hidden or deleted, and you're gonna tell me that I need my account. But if you really want to hide your transaction history or delete it, you need to delete your account or close it, and after closing your account, you can create another Zelle account with the same email or bank that you created the first one, and like this you get another account without transaction history. But this is the only way how you can do it, because there is no way to do it or to hide transaction history inside Zelle with the same account. Okay, so this is the solution. As I told you, you just need to delete your Zelle account and then create another one, and like this you're going to be able to delete or hide transaction history on Zelle. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.